Congratulations, sir, for your new Tata Nexon Pure Plus. We would like to know about your experience with Cyber Auto, starting from booking to delivery.
Sure. So finally, it was my today 25th delivery date, and it was an amazing experience having this buying a new car from Cyber Automotive. Since the day first, Yogesh Pawar, my executive, was fully helpful for me, and it was like hardly I booked the car within 1 hour. We had a good quotation amount and good negotiations with Cyber Automotive. And finally I just booked the car in 1 day, and the next day I have just given all the payment amount and everything was done. It was so smooth that it was like barely I felt I had any hustle in booking my Nexon car, and I'm finally happy, and I thanks all the Cyber Auto Wheels team for giving me such a wonderful experience for this thing. And thank you so much, and I would like thanks to the Tata all the family for providing such good services, and it was awesome. Thank you.
Amazing, sir. I would like to know why did you choose Tata Nexon over other brands and competitors?
When I just visited the showroom, I had many other options as well at that price range. But as Yogi suggested me that Nexon was the good fit, as like I'm still bachelor, and I think that look for Nexon like was completely suiting my personality, and it was like it wasn't just good to go. So then like Nexon, as you know, Tata, all the cars are very too much good, and like all the cars come with a 5-star safety rating. So I just felt very good, and that's why I chose Nexon, because it was going with my personality and it was completely fine.
Great, sir. Congratulations. Have safe rides. Thank you so much.
Yep.